So I made the biggest the biggest mistake last week. We had our Fraser trip and I forgot my GoPro. I also forgot my good Canon camera. But luckily the S21s have a great camera, so there was some photos and footage recorded on them for you guys. So there will be a video coming. I'm also going to do a walk around of our camper. I've got it set up out there. We just pulled everything out of it to wash it and get it all cleaned up after being up with salt. And while we had it out drying, it's now started raining. I don't know if you guys can hear that on the roof. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a better day. It will dry out and we can put it away. But yeah, I shall do a walk around tomorrow, film it for you guys so you can see what it's all about. If anyone's looking at getting one, etc. So that's the update on Fraser trip. It was good. We had fun, pretty good weather. Last 2 nights were a bit windy, but yeah, overall it was a good trip, and there'll be a video up soon. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.